In this video, I'm going to show you how to bounce MIDI to audio in Cubase. So there's actually two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both right now. The easiest way is just to locate your MIDI clip. So over here I have it. I'm going to actually solo this track just like this. And then what you want to do is either go to the File tab top left, and you want to go and export and just do audio mixdown, and you can just export this as the audio mixdown, okay? So you can export it like normal, give it a name, select where you want to save this, and then just export audio like you usually would, okay? That's going to export your MIDI to audio. But then, of course, if you want to be kind of a bit quicker as well, you could go to Edit up top left, click on Render in Place, and then you want to click on Render Settings. You can keep these as they are over here, or just do as one event, and you can go and select Processing Dry, Channel Settings, whatever you want to use. You have some other things you can do over here, and then just select where you want to basically render. And I'm just going to go with, for example, MIDI 1 is going to be the file name. I'm going to save to my downloads to my audio folder, and then simply hit this render button over here, and it's going to render it, and it's going to essentially kind of turn that MIDI into audio. It's going to bounce it, okay? So those are the two ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.